Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lesson, we are going to talk about إعراب الفعل المضارع. إعراب is basically about the changes that occurs to the end of a word. So here we are going to talk about the changes that occurs to فعل مضارع. And before we go to the topic, let us make quick revision on the topic of الإعراب. And in one of our previous lessons, we have learned about إعراب الاسم, and we said that an isim, if we put it in a sentence, it will have three states or three conditions. The first state is the isim will be in the state of الرفع. The second state is النصب, and the third state is الجر. So when a word is in the state of الرفع, we call it مرفوع, and when it is in the state of النصب, we call it منصوب, and when it is in the state of الجر, we call it مجرور. And we have also learned that when a word is in the state of مرفوع, then the word will end with a dhamma. For example, the word al-kitab, if it is in the state of marfu', then we will say al-kitabu. The same word, if it is in the state of mansub, then we will end it with a fatha, so we say al-kitaba. And if the word is in the state of majrur, then we will end it with a kasra, we say al-kitabi. Okay, so that is the i'rab of al-ism. Now we move on to the i'rab of al-fi'l, and to be specific, the i'rab of al-fi'l al-mudari'. This fi'l is called al-fi'l al-mudari' because it is yudari'u al-ism. It is similar to an ism in the sense that it also has three states. Okay, the first state is ar-raf'u. So this is similar to the states of al-ism. Okay, so fi'l mudari', it can be in the state of ar-raf'u, so we can say that fi'l mudari', the hukum is marfu'. And fi'l mudari' can also have the second state, which is an-nasbu. And when the fi'l mudari' is in the state of an-nasbu, we call it mansub. And finally, the fi'l mudari' has another state, which is al-jazmu. So here it is different from the isim. In isim we have al-jarru, and for fi'l mudari' we have al-jazmu. And when the fi'l is in the state of al-jazmu, we call it majzoom. So in our next lessons, we are going to learn the condition when a fi'l mudari' has to be in the state of marfu', when it has to be in the state of mansub, and when it has to be in the state of majzoom.